Before you register for another PMU online course, hear me out. Think about this for a second. Do you really think that adding another new service to your business is going to help you attract and book more clients? What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Brow Tab B School. As always, I am Alex, and today we are going to chat about why you don't need another PMU course to grow your business. So if you said yes, why do you think that? Why do you think that this new service is all of a sudden going to be your saving grace to growing your business, attracting clients, creating that business of your dreams? Are you thinking that you're going to take this online course, learn this new service, share about it once or twice on Instagram, and then clients are just gonna go nuts and start flooding in and booking with you? Now, before we dive in any deeper, I realize that what I'm saying so far is a little bit controversial, a little bit polarizing for our industry. I realize that. And I am not saying don't expand your skills, don't learn new services, don't learn new techniques, don't continue your education. I am not saying that. I'm actually saying the opposite. Continuing your education is crucial to growing your business. It's crucial to growing your business and hitting all of your business goals. But what I am saying is that if you don't have systems and methods in place already to attract clients to the current services you offer, how are you going to attract clients to new services? If you are not as booked out as you would like to be, adding this new service is not going to change that. Simply learning this service, putting it on your service menu, maybe making a post about it, is not going to have clients banging down your door to book with you. So what I'm saying is, once you learn these systems, these methods, these techniques, these tactics, whatever you want to call them, and put them in your place in your business to attract clients, that's when you want to go and take another course, add another service, so you can attract even more clients for these services as well as your old services. So to drive in my point here, what I'm saying is, if you are not as booked out as you would like to be, don't register for whatever that course is that you had your eye on. Tiny tattoos, piercing, ombre brows, whatever it is. I don't care. All those services are amazing, but I'm saying don't register for those until you find systems to put in place to attract clients to the services you already have. Before you register, before you pull out your credit card, put your numbers in, stop and look at your current business. Look at your current business model. Do you have those systems in place to attract clients for these new services? Do you have systems in place to attract clients for your current services? If the answer is no, then stop. You are not alone. I was actually just like you about 6 years ago, thinking that signing up for this $4,000 nano brow course was going to change my business. Not only was this nano brow master class more expensive than my fundamentals of microblading course and much shorter, it was not informative, didn't give me the confidence or the skills to leave wanting to offer this service. And it also didn't give me any education, any knowledge on how to attract clients to this service, what set it apart from the services I was already offering. And what I ended up doing was just going back to what I was doing before, posting a picture and hoping and praying for the best that I would get a booking out of it. Sometimes offering a deep discount to encourage booking, but not having a strategy behind it. And while that $4,000 sat on my line of credit, building interest, because I told myself that I would pay off that course with bookings that I got for that new service, and didn't really have any bookings come in for that service. I also continue to not book as many clients as I would have liked for my old services, for microblading, because I didn't have any strategies in place. I was putting all of my hopes and dreams for my business on this new nanobrow masterclass, thinking it was going to change everything by just knowing a new skill, by just having a new skill, by just offering a new service. So a year or so passed with that sitting on my line of credit, unfortunately, and I finally decided to get honest with myself and to get real with my business and really look into what I was doing wrong, or not necessarily wrong, it was what I wasn't doing to actually grow my business. So I signed up for a business coaching program that taught me how to initially set up my business for success, how to grow my business, how to attract clients, how to get my business to the level that I wanted it to be at, to finally hit my business goals and pay off that course that I thought was going to be my saving grace. What I learned from this coaching program, this business coaching program, wasn't only enough to grow my business to the level that I wanted it to be at, to give me kind of the brow business of my dreams, which it did, but it also stemmed a new passion in me, which surprisingly combined a lot of things from my life already. So it combined my university degree, it combined the years I had already spent in a beauty business, running my own beauty business, and what I learned from this coach, along with what I learned through my years of working in the restaurant, nightclub, bar industry of how to run a business, stemmed a passion of actually loving to grow businesses and wanting to help others do the same thing. I'm not telling you the story for really no reason. I'm telling you the story because if you were sitting there right now with your credit card in hand or planning to do it later today to sign up for another online PMU course that you think is just going to save your business, please stop and think about this first. Do you have the methods and the strategies in place already to attract clients for this service? Once you are done the course, once you are ready to go, once you are offering the service, do you know how to bring clients in to get them to book this service by you? If you're still saying no, that's okay. I have the tools for you with B-School Business Banger Tutorial. These are tutorials that are specific to the beauty brow industry to give you methods, strategies, tactics, whatever you want to call them, to help you attract clients to the services that you already offer. You don't need to learn new services to be able to put these methods in place. They will help you get bookings now with the service that you are offering and help you make more money so that in the future, down the road, you can take that new PMU course. You can learn an advanced technique. You can learn piercing, whatever it is that you have your heart set on. You can learn that now, not potentially have to put it on credit like I did, and have the methods in place that when you are ready to launch that new service, you know exactly how to draw clients in and book them in for that new service. These school bangers will keep growing. There are currently 6 of them now from the time I recorded this video, but I plan to keep adding more because I want to offer you all of the knowledge that I can possibly give you to help you grow your business in all aspects. I've done the hard work for you here. I've put in the man hours. I've done the trial and error. I've seen what works and what doesn't work to grow businesses, to attract clients, to book more clients. And I package them all up for you in super specific individual tutorial bangers for you to take and implement in your business right away. So go check out what B-School Bangers has to offer.